Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick video. What we'll cover today is we'll just go through a quick run through of how to use the Pythagoras theorem. And many of you are familiar, it goes by a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we can apply it when there is a right angle triangle involved, yeah? So how this formula works, I won't walk you through where the derivations of this formula comes from. So there are plenty of other videos on YouTube that you can watch. But what I'll do today is I'll show you how to apply it simply. So how it always works is the c squared is always the longest side. So it's always the hypotenuse. So that would always be c squared. And a and b squared, they're interchangeable. They can be, this can be a, this can be b. So yeah, and don't mind me here, it should just be c. So yeah, whether this is b or this is a, it doesn't matter. But the c is always a hypotenuse, given by here. So essentially as the formula goes, it just means if you want to find any missing length, so let's say we're given c is 5, b is 4, then by the formula goes a squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So then we can solve for that missing length a, which is this. And it'll be a squared equals 25 minus 16, which is 9. So a equals 3, because a is more than 0, as lengths are always positive. So perfect, that's pretty much how we apply it. And yep, we can solve for various scenarios. So let's say we are given a triangle where we have, let me think, 8 and 6. And what is this missing side? We know it's a right angle triangle, so 8 squared plus 6 squared equals, and we can call it c. We can even call this side length x, right? X squared. So that means 64 plus 36 equals 100, equals x squared. So x squared equals 100, therefore x equals 10, because x is greater than 0. Now there's one case of Pythagoras that I'd like to touch up on, and yeah, so this is the general case. Now what if the two sides were equal? So that's what we want to go over, right? So what if we know these two sides are equal? And we know, let's say this is 10, so how do we find a and b, right? Well, because a and b are equal, we can just say a equals b. So a squared plus b squared equals 10 squared equals 100. And if we let a equals b, then it's just b squared plus b squared. So 2b squared equals 100, b squared equals 50, b just equals the square root of 50. And there we go. That's how we use Pythagoras. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today, and hope you have a good day.